On March 18, 1925, the deadliest tornado in American history touched down in Missouri. What made this one different was that nobody saw it coming. There was no radar, no warning system, no alerts. The tornado was so large and wrapped in rain that people could not even tell it was a tornado until it was already on top of them. It tore through Missouri, then Illinois, then Indiana, traveling 219 miles without ever lifting off the ground. That had never happened before. Towns were completely erased in seconds. Entire schools collapsed with children inside. It killed 695 people and injured over 2,000 more in just 3.5 hours. To this day, it remains the deadliest tornado ever recorded in United States history, and no tornado has ever traveled further or stayed on the ground longer.